to that page. Here streaming will be get started maybe in 20 to 30-second delay, which is default, and maybe depending upon speed. See, now streaming is started. See, now whatever is there, it will be streamed, it will be displayed. Okay, so now this is displayed. Now if I want to change its scene, next scene, so it will be get changed here also, maybe with some delay. Right, next. If I again move to the next slide, so it will be there, so it will be displayed after that streaming. See, next stream will be there and it is started. So it remains. Now what you need to do, you need to share this link of this live streaming to anyone else so that they can view. Okay, so this is about live streaming, but it has certain uh, important settings also. So those important, yes, here while edit the setting, you need to use this visibility to wish this to whom this live streaming is visible, whether you make it as a public, unlisted and private, so you can do that. By default it is public. Category, what is the category of that live streaming that you have shared, right? So these are the important features that you need to check. Playlist, then yes, it's for kids, yes, it is not for kids, so you need to use the age restriction. If you want to add age restriction, so you can perform that operations also. So these are a few important settings that you can do while using this live streaming option. Remember, this live streaming can be done with two things: one by using Facebook or by using YouTube. Okay, now is it clear? Steps are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now after creating this video, now if you want to perform some editing operation, and to do that we need to use the software, and this software is OpenShot editor, video editor. Okay, first I will show you from where you can get that software. This OpenShot software. Yes, so again you can search it into the Google, OpenShot video editor. It will show you the first option, openshot.org. Click on that website. This website will be open, OpenShot video editor. Download your version as per your operating system, as per your uh, platform, maybe Windows, Linux, Apple, or anything else. And whatever your operating system, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit operating system, both options are there. You need to choose your option, 64-bit or 32-bit, and click on installer. It will get download. After download, It is available in download folder. Just double click on it. Installation is started. After installing, it will ask you for the agreement. You need to click, select this, I accept, click next. After installation, it will show you this icon on your desktop. Okay. After opening this icon, after double clicking on that icon, this one, open short software, and this is OBS. After clicking this open short software is get open. Okay. Now, first I will give you some idea about this software, what actually the content of this string. So if you see on this side, it contains the project files or the area where different types of files can be added. For example, video file, audio file, and image. And we can edit or we can create a new video from the existing video, audio, and image. We can combine. Okay, so this is the area. We can call it as a project files or explorer, where all the files, all types of files can be added. And this is your screen. Whenever you add any file, that file can be get displayed. Matlab, it means if you want to click on this play button, that video get played, that image get displayed, right? And most importantly, here we have different track. All of we know what is meant by track. Track is either video track, audio track. So whenever we have added any of the file, video, audio, and image file, these files can be added on this track, and by using this track we can create a new video from existing video, audio, and image file. Okay, so we can add our files on this different track at a time. You can work on multiple tracks, but right now we are working only on one track. So now I want to add some or few files. Click on this plus button, import files. It will open the file explorer, and from which you can choose the file. Okay, so first I will add a video file, any video file. So this is video file. This video file here, video file is added. Show all contains all the files. Video file contains video file, audio file contains only audio file, image file contains image. Okay, at the same time I can add one more video file, this one more video file. Same time I can add one image, plus image is available, supporting images. We can choose any image, for example starting soon, JPG image. So open that image. Okay, so now we can add these video and file on the track. For example, initially I want to add this video, so drag and drop that video on this track, right? So this video get added on this track. You can move this video in left and right side on the track. Here it is given the timeline or duration. It is starting from 00, and it is showing us the frame difference, frame in second, 15 second, 30 second, 45 second. So 15 seconds frame difference it is showing in duration, in time. Okay, so this is your frame. Okay, it will second track पे चला गया वो. Now if I, and this is your pointer. Okay, now when I click on plus, it will started. This video playing is started and it is showing me. right? If you move this handle, it will change the duration, the time of that video file. Okay, so this handle is used actually to perform some editing operation on the video. I just click on stop. Okay, so now you can choose the accurate portion that you want to cut, that you want to edit. Okay, now if what I want, this initial portion up to this point I want to cut. Okay, so for that, if I don't know the accurate position and point from where I want to cut that video, so for that, here one tool is given, and that tool is called as add marker. We can mark that position where actually I want to click or where I want to cut. Okay, so before marking, we need to start it and then click on play. Then it is started. Now the position at which I want to mark, I just need to click on mark. See, still it is started. This up to this position I want to cut, so I need to click on add marker. Add mark. Now when I click on add mark, if you see here, mark is done, blue color mark. So at this particular point, I can stop this. At this particular point, I want to cut this video, that initial part of blank screen or the open OBS software screen I want to cut. So to cut that particular part, here another tool is given, and that tool is razor tool. Okay, so click on razor tool, go to that particular point, automatically line will be displayed, and at that particular point just click once. If you click once and again go back and click on razor tool, so to unselect it. Now this is important point, important portion. Once you click on razor tool, it is selected, and if you click on any part, it will get cut, that it will going to cut that video. So after getting one cut, immediately unselect that razor tool. Remember to unselect that razor tool, otherwise unnecessary it will cut that video into number of part, number of sub parts, number of sub videos, we can say. Okay, so here you can see this video is cut, so I can delete this video part, cutting part, जो extra part था, I can delete that part. Now at the same time, at the end point here, this end point I want to cut at this particular point, so again mark this point, mark it, then move this pointer, click on razor, go to that particular point and click, so it will cut. Again go and unselect the razor first, and this unwanted part, click on delete button, it will get deleted. Okay, so this is about how you can cut the unwanted part of the video. Now if you want to join two videos, right, so this second video, again drag that video on this track. So this is second video. Now first video and second video, I want to join these two video, and before joining these two video, what I want one image. Okay, so and at beginning also I want one image. So this is starting soon, this image can be added at the part of beginning. If you see, this is image, this is first video, This is second video, and in between first and second video, what I want? One more image. So click on plus, it will open the image. So this timer will be can be added to import timer as a image sequence. No, image sequence, no. So it will be GIF. So added. Okay, so I want to join all these part, image, GIF and animated. This is GIF, this is normal image and two videos. Okay, so here snapping enabled, that is magnet is given just to join the multiple things. It is by default selected, right? You can select that also, but it is by default selected just to join. Okay, so we can join this image with this video. Yes, it is get joined. Now this timer get joined, and now this video get joined. Okay, so this is a complete video which contains image, video, GIF image, that is animated timer, and again video. Okay, so this complete video can be created. If you want to click on cutting again this video, you can cut that video also. After doing everything, this basic operation, attaching, erasing, right? So these basic operations are there. After that, from this complete video, I want to generate a new video. So for that, file, and then export our video, export project, and in that export video. Once you click that export video, now here some settings will be there, profile, all format. Now which target file you want, you can select the appropriate target file, mp4, mkv, mov, avi, what file you wanted, that file get generated, right? Any file, so that file get generated. Default setting जो है वो वैसे रहने दो. If you want to change its setting, you can change. Video profile quality is high, and then click on export. So this exportation is started, exporting the video from the combination. Low system resources may affect. ठीक है. So from the combination of image, this video one, again image, animated image, and video two, one small video get created. And once it is done 100%, that video get created, and then we can see that video. You can share that video with your students after doing editing, after removing unwanted things from that video, right? But one basic suggestion that I can say, that instead of creating one large video of maybe 1 hour 2 hour session, you can create small videos of 20 minutes 30 minutes, which can easily, you can share this video, and students also eager to see this video, right? Instead of seeing videos of 1 hour and 2 hour, they can easily see the video of 20 minutes 30 minutes 40 minutes video easily and interestingly. Okay, so once it is 100% done, a video get created. Just wait for 2 minutes. 60% is completed. one important thing, while editing these videos and files here on one specific track, your existing video remains as it is. It will not get changed. For example, suppose when I add these two videos, these two videos, this first video and second video, but this existing video remains as it is. It will not get changed. We have just imported those files here, performing some operation, and from that we have created one new video from that. Existing video remains as it is. It will not get changed. सेकंड वीडियो थोड़ा बड़ा है इसलिए भी टाइम लग रहा है शायद.
सर 30 मिनट्स का वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पर अपन शेयर नहीं कर सकते बच्चों को, तो फिर उसमें कौन सा फाइल अपन ने बनाना चाहिए? विच टाइप ऑफ फाइल वी एक्सपोर्ट?
सी 30 मिनट्स तक का वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर नहीं कर सकते, बट स्टिल
राइट.
for sharing, I can suggest instead of using WhatsApp, you can use some maybe Google Classroom type of option, so that you can share those videos through your Google Drive, which is better option, I think. Okay, so where
सर
that
लेकिन
video is?
व्हाट्सएप पर अपन बहुत लंबे भी वीडियो देखते हैं सर, जो शेयर्स होते हैं आधा घंटे के होते हैं, लेकिन वो फिर कौन सा फाइल रहता है, मैं पूछना था विच टाइप ऑफ फाइल्स दे यूज?
व्हाट्सएप पे मतलब कौन से टाइप का फाइल बनाया है वो पूछ रहे क्या आप?
हाँ, कौन सा फाइल बनाना चाहिए ताकि वो मतलब लंबे समय तक लोग देख सकें, उसका टाइमिंग ज्यादा रहे.
व्हाट्सएप पे फाइल्स अगर आपको शेयर करना है तो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि उसका साइज
कम रहे, 2.5 MB, नॉट मोर देन.
यस, जिसका साइज कम रहेगा वही फाइल फॉर्मेट आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगेन इट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टूल और सॉफ्टवेयर दैट यू आर यूजिंग फॉर जनरेटिंग दैट वीडियो.
राइट सर.
कौन सा फाइल बना है? यही बना है शायद. टुडे इज 23. फाइल कहाँ पे से हो गया?
This one, right sir?
This one, na?
Right. No, 23.
23. I forget its location. वो लोकेशन एक बार देखना चाहिए था तब इंपोर्ट किया, एक्सपोर्ट किया तब. Again, recording is started. Okay. So after seeing this overall different input and output devices of computer system, check its location. Okay, folder path is C, user and Lenovo. C, user and Lenovo. Can check with date. This one, untitled project.
Untitled.
See, this image is displayed before. I can open, then this second video get attached, some and explain. Now, whatever operation I can perform, all these operations get recorded, right? Whatever get displayed on screen, it will get recorded. So,
Mm.
right, it is get added as an image because उसने पूछा था sequence of images ऐड करना है क्या? Now recording is no select किया था उस वक्त. Okay. Now recording is started. So this is your computer system with input output devices. When I click on right arrow, it will changes to the next slide. Now these are the parts or combination components of the computer, right? So this is how you can create or how you can export video from your OpenShot. Uh, that's it from my side. Today I have explained these two tools. Just an introduction, which is required, basic point, which is required to generate videos for academic purposes. In case of any doubt in these two tools or software, we can discuss those points. Uh, but at the same time, I can share these PDF files also, in which contains the installation process or installation steps. I can share these files. How I can share, only tell me that कैसे share करूँगा, या फिर I can share with Rajesh sir so that he can share with all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Rajesh sir will share on our WhatsApp group. No
Okay,
problem, sir.
okay, ठीक है. So I will share it with Rajesh sir so that
Yeah.
he can share with those PDF files and uh, the content that I have created, that PPT also I can share, which contains the same. Actually, I
Yes, sir.
just stop that PPT and directly explain, but it contains the same thing, same point, how you can perform click, where to click, and which options need to be selected. The same points are available in this PPT also. So I can share that PPT also if it is
Yes, sir.
required. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sir, shall I propose a vote of thanks?
Hello,
Thank you,
madam.
sir. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Nisha.
Yes, madam.
Myself, Dr. Nisha Vikas Varade
Yes, madam.
from Department of Zoology, Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akula. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks for this session on the topic Introduction to OBS and OpenShot software for e-content development. First of all, on the behalf of STC, UGC, HRDC, and Gadge Baba Amravati University Amravati, my heartfelt gratitude are towards the honorable resource person of this session, Honorable Dr.
Okay, madam.
Prashant Kulkarni sir, for sharing his valuable time and knowledge with us. He has given his insights and inputs and demonstrated how to make videos in OBS and also educate addition of these videos in OpenShot software. He has explained the topic in very simple and basic language, clearing all our concepts, doubts, and queries regarding the topic. Sir, the knowledge you shared with us definitely will help us to develop our e-content for enhancing our teaching skills. Thank you once again, sir. I also extend my gratitude towards Dr. Vadegavkar sir, Honorable Director, HRDC, Gadge Baba Amravati, and Dr. Rajesh Bhoyer sir, Shri Sharad Kunde sir, and the whole team and staff members of HRDC and Gadge Baba Amravati University for arranging this lecture. I also extend my heartfelt thanks towards all the respected participants of this STC for their active participation. I also thank the technical team who has enabled the smooth conduction of this online STC program. Thank you once again, everyone. And now, with the permission of the authorities, the HRDC, I now declare this session over. Thank you very much, sir. And thanks.
Madam, just one point. I just request to all the faculty members ki whenever they start doing practice and using this software. In case of any doubt or in case of any problem, they can contact to me. I have already shared my number with Rajesh sir,
So
mobile number and mail ID. So you
You,
can contact, we
you,
can
you,
discuss and solve that doubt also. No
you
problem.
can tell
you
also,
can
sir.
yeah,
Please, please.
tell
You
your
tell, sir.
you
We
can
will repeat.
Yes, yes. Just give me a minute. I will type it on notepad.
in the chat box you can give your email address and phone numbers.
Okay, this is my number and mail ID is Prashant B Kulkarni at Gmail. So you can contact me so that we can try to solve your doubts and queries whenever there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sir, can you share the screen again? I couldn't write down the number, please.
Okay, okay, okay. Give me time. This one.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Prashant, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.